It's a new 2022 Genesis G80. Even at a standstill, this luxury performance sedan appears to be in motion. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated bucket seats, remote engine start smart device, hands-free liftgate, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and autonomous cruise control. For Genesis, luxury is about more than just comfort. It's about performance, it's about versatility, and it's about safety too. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call, click, or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 2404 Crain Highway in Bowie, Maryland.